Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in and even subscribing to our channel. Thank you for sharing this information. A lot of feedback has been coming to us, and we believe that this information has continued to be of much and great help. And even when you're going to make the decision of purchase of an insurance product, we believe that you're better placed, you're more informed and more knowledgeable about the insurance industry, which has been to some a no-go zone because of lack of information. Today, we are going to focus on what should I do when I get involved in an accident. That is a question that many people only ask themselves when they find themselves in an incident or an accident on the road and they don't know who to call. And even when they are calling, most of the people that they are trying to get information from, maybe they are not, they are unreached, and maybe their phones are switched off. And that's why we are here to share the information. One of the rules that is given by all the insurance companies, or a precept, is that do not admit liability. No matter the accident, do not admit liability. Leave that to the insurance company. If today I was involved in an accident, what should I do? We encourage you to make sure that you are safe. Ensure that you are safe, because safety first, and we believe that you can handle a lot of other things when you are safe. The other thing is that take photos of the scene of accident. We advise you to take the photos from all angles of the scene of the accident. Take as many photos as you can. It is always good to take photos of other vehicles that have been involved in that accident. The registration number, the insurance details, the insurance sticker, because that will really help in when filling or documenting and processing the claim. After taking the photos, then you can notify your agent or even your broker or the insurance company. Many of the insurance companies have given the hotline, the claims hotline on the stickers, the insurance sticker. And so you can always share or even call them or share the information with them, notify them immediately, and also call the police, report the incident or the accident to the police, because with that, they will be able to examine the situation and also take the particulars of that accident or that scene. After taking the particulars, mostly you are advised to tow your vehicle. If it cannot move by its own, you are encouraged to tow your vehicle to the police station, and then from that place you'll be issued with an abstract. And when you're issued with an abstract, you can now have your vehicle or your car back and take it to respective garages. Proceed to your agent or even to your insurance company, and there is a form that is called a claim form that you are required to fill in. You are bound by the duty of disclosure that you are supposed to actually share the information, the material facts. If you hold back sharing of the information, then that might be considered as insurance fraud, because you'll be hiding maybe some of the information that is really critical to the insurance company or while processing the insurance. So anytime that you're involved in an accident, remember to always give all the details, full details, in your statements. After filling in the documentation, of course, the claim form is shared with the insurance company. And of course, this is the claims department. And in the claims department, that's where, all of this information will be now internalized and processed. An assessor will go and assess the extent of damage. The assessor will go and strip the car, the damages, and get into the details of the damage. After that, of course, we have the compilation of the report, of the assessment report, and again, submission of the report to the company. After submission of the report to the companies have an internal assessor who goes through the report and also offer recommendations, if any. And then from there, they actually forward to the next stage, which is the issuance of the repair authority. Once the they are content with the assessment report, then they will issue the repair authority to the garage, and so the garage commences the repair process. And of course, the process before the repair authority, that process basically takes around 1 week, because from the day of accident you're required to get to acquire an abstract, and then all that process that we have discussed will basically take a whole week on normal cases. But again, depending on uniqueness of the cases, sometimes you find that it takes 2 weeks and even beyond. In case there are some malicious damage and stage managing of the accident, then investigations are commenced. And so when the investigations are commenced, of course, you can have it that the process will take a longer duration as opposed to the normal process. After the repair authority, the number of days will be according to the extent of the damage. After that, then you are required to get a release letter. A release letter actually offers you an opportunity to go and get your vehicle back. And while you're going to get your vehicle, you are also requested or required to sign a satisfaction, a kind of a rubric or a satisfaction form, whereby you say, you append your signature to certify that you're content with the kind of work and the quality of service that has been rendered by the garage and onto your vehicle. Basically, that's it. That's the process. Whenever you find yourself in an accident, that's all that you needed to do. Thank you very much for tuning in. God bless you. Till next time, next episode. Let's keep in touch. In case you need an insurance product, feel free to contact us through our cell phone or even our contact shared here below on the screen. So God bless you. Till next time, share this information with your friends, with your colleagues, and everybody else around you. Let us build a more informed society about the insurance product. Thank you. God bless you.